It's FIFA World Cup season right now. And if you follow football closely, you don't have to search Google for scores, news, or transfer updates. This app puts all of that in one place. If you are a football fan, this is a must-have app on your phone and it's totally free. No subscription or login needed. Let's start with the Matches tab. This is what opens first. Right now you are seeing the FIFA World Cup round of 32 matches lined up for today, both the ones that are scheduled and the ones already live. Scroll down and you have got friendlies and other league matches from around the world all queued up for today. Now here is where it gets useful. Swipe left and you go back to yesterday's matches. Keep swiping and you go further back. Swipe right and you're looking at tomorrow, then the day after, all the way into the future. Tap on this clock icon and it takes you straight to ongoing live matches. Tap it again and you're back to today's schedule. Simple toggle, but it saves you a lot of scrolling. You will also see a calendar right beside it. Tap it and you get a full calendar view, which makes navigation very easy. You can literally jump to any date, days ahead if you want, and it will show you every match scheduled for that day. And if you are looking for one specific match, there is also a search option. Let's move to the News tab. First thing you see is trending news, and there is a dedicated section just for World Cup stories. Next to it is transfers. You get top transfers at a glance, but tap into the transfer center and you can filter by league, by time period, even choose to include contract extensions if that's what you are tracking. Then there's the Leagues tab. You can pick any league directly, Premier League or any other leagues you follow, and get its points table, fixtures, news, and transfers. Not sure of the league name? Don't worry, you can browse by country instead and find it that way. Last one is the following tab. This is where you pin your favorite clubs, teams, or players. Once you follow them, you get their news, match schedule, table position, transfers, and stats, all filtered to just what you care about. This is one of the best features. Follow any player and you will get an incredibly detailed view of their stats, traits, and performance throughout the season. It does run ads since it's free, that's the trade-off, but it never really got in the way while I was using it. If you're serious about following football, this is one app you genuinely need on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.